I'm going to show you how to copy task ID in ClickUp. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your ClickUp app, which should be right in your app library. Just go ahead and find it, which is right over here. Just go ahead and tap on ClickUp. And once you're here, you just need to open the task that you want to copy the ID of. Just go ahead and tap on the task, which should be right here. And now once you're there, you just need to look at the top right corner where you can see a 3-dot button. Just go ahead and tap there. And once you're here now, at the top you can see options like copy task ID, share link, watchers, unwatch, and many more. Just go ahead and tap on copy task ID, and there you go. It'll show you that it has been copied. Now you can just paste the task ID and share it with your friends or family, or for whatever reason that you need it for. And there you go. That's how you copy task ID in ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below and let us know what sort of videos you would like next time. Thank you for watching.